Do you have a low immunity? Do you catch cold every now and then? Or do you feel tired most of the time? So this all are a sign of a weak immune system. But don't worry, in this video, I will share with you 5 simple ways by which you can boost your immune system naturally at home. Hello guys, my name is Kotian and welcome to my channel Kodi Fit. The immune system is a complex network of cells and protein that defends the body against infection. The immune system keeps a record of every germ it has ever defeated so it can recognize and destroy the microbe quickly if it enters the body again. Weak immune system is like invitation to health problems. Sometimes our immune system gets so weak that it attacks our own body. The effects of low immune system is type 1 diabetes and the causes are like stress, aging and unhealthy lifestyle. But do note, if you are having a strong immune system at this age, don't take it for granted. In fact, try to keep it strong to live a healthy lifestyle ahead. The 5 ways to boost your immune system are Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha, a Indian herb. Its properties are so powerful, it has been nicknamed as Indian ginseng. Ashwagandha is well known to instantly boost the immune system. How to do it? Simply take 1 glass of hot milk, add 1 tablespoon of ashwagandha powder into it. Now the best time to have it is 1 hour before going to sleep at night. If you have issue digesting milk, you can replace it with water. Amla. Vitamin C makes antibodies that fight infection. It also is the most important vitamin C to boost your immune system. Amla or Indian gooseberry is very high in vitamin C. 1 amla is equal to 20 oranges, and vitamin C is most important to boost your immune system. So 1 amla a day keeps the infections away. Consume amla in any form, in juice, a pickle or raw. Mint drink. This is one sweet soft drink to make your immune system stronger. How to do it? Simply put 500 ml of water in a pan. Add half tablespoon of turmeric into it. Let it boil for 2 minutes. Add 10 to 12 mint leaves. Let it further boil for another 2 to 3 minutes. Pour the mixture in a glass, let it cool a bit. Now add 1 tablespoon of honey, that's it. This simple drink has all the antioxidants to fight the unwanted microbes in the body. Turmeric. Turmeric, a common spicy, gives an instant boost to the immune system through its amazing antioxidants, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that it holds. How to do it? Simply add half tablespoon of turmeric in hot water 1 hour before going to sleep at night. Turmeric milk will instantly shield your body. Giloy. Giloy, another Ayurvedic herb, also known as Amrita, which literally translates to the root of immortality. It helps to move the toxins, purify the blood and fights the bad bacteria. How to do it? Just mix 1 tablespoon of giloy powder in lukewarm water and have it empty stomach in the morning. Also, eat a healthy and a balanced diet with seasonal fruits. Get vitamin D from the sun. Sit in sun for about 10 to 15 minutes whenever possible. Exercise regularly. Minimize sugary junk foods. Drink enough water to flush out the toxins. Maintain proper sleep timings. Do not excessively indulge in smoking or booze. However, immune system weakens with age. However, following this home remedy and tips, you can have a strong immunity and a healthy lifestyle. If you want it, you're gonna go get it. Let's learn about immune system in deep. The healthy ways to strengthen your immune system are: your first line of defense is to choose a healthy lifestyle. Following general good health guidelines is the single best step you can take towards naturally keeping your immune system working properly. Every part of your body, including your immune system, functions better when protected from environmental assaults and bolstered by healthy living strategies such as: you don't smoke, eat a high diet in fruits and vegetables, exercise regularly, maintain a healthy weight. If you drink alcohol, drink only in moderation, get adequate sleep, take steps to avoid infections such as washing your hands frequently and cooking meats thoroughly. Try to minimize stress. Keep current with all recommended vaccines. Vaccines prime your immune system to fight off infection before they take hold in your body. Now the 15 foods that boost your immune system are: immune system booster. Feeding your body certain foods may help keep your immune system strong. If you are looking for a way to prevent colds, the flu and other infection, your first step should be visit to your local grocery store. Plan your meal according to including this 15 powerful immune system booster. The first one is citrus fruits. The second one is red bell peppers. The third one is broccoli. The fourth one is garlic. The fifth one is ginger. The sixth one is spinach. Seventh one is yogurt. The eighth one is almonds. The ninth one is sunflower seeds. The 10th one is turmeric. 11th one is green tea. 12th is papaya. 13th is kiwi. 14th is poultry. 15th is shellfish. Now the 9 ways to boost your body natural defenses are: first is by getting enough sleep. Second is eat more whole plant food. Third is eat more healthy fats. Fourth is eat more fermented food or take a probiotic supplement. Fifth one is limit added sugars. Sixth one is engage in moderate exercise. Seventh is stay hydrated. Eighth one is manage your stress levels. Ninth is supplement wisely. And that's it. Do you guys know what are the 3 vitamins that are best for boosting our immunity? Let me tell you. It's vitamin C. Vitamin C is one of the biggest immune system booster of all. Vitamin B6 is vital to supporting biochemical reaction in the immune system. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps the body fight off infection. Foods rich in vitamin E include nuts, seeds and spinach. Try to add this in your day-to-day life and see the result in months. So guys, that's it for this video. Do you find this video helpful? If yes, then show me your support by giving a big thumbs up and also comment down what would you love to see next in this channel. And also guys, do remember to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you will definitely get in your notification box. My name is Yash Kotian and thank you so much for watching guys. Stay hard. And yes guys, I wanted to know who are ready to take the challenge of beard growth, as I am on this journey to grow a beard for 3 months. So just comment down who all are ready to take this challenge of beard growth.
Big way when I'm walking, pray when I'm talking this to you. Fight for my attention, for your ascension, you must prove